How can Armacell Answers help your business? Armacell's technical knowledge and expertise can help elevate your skills, provide support, and make your next project easier. Let's take a look at how Armacell's resources and staff experts can help you. For decades, we've worked with companies providing advanced insulation and engineered foam solutions. As experts and thought leaders, we are going a step further as your go-to source for industry and product knowledge, from innovator to educator. Our resources provide engineers, specifiers, contractors, distributors, fabricators, installers, anyone with the information and guidance they need to lead a successful project. First, we have a team to help you simplify the specification process. Through in-person or online presentations, they discuss the basics of insulation and its benefits, what to look for when specifying, and how code compliance fits into a sustainable building model. Second, we offer free application training, teaching the correct way to install Armacell insulation. Eligible contractors and installers can sign up for the Armacell Qualified Installer Program, or AQIP, with our very own application expert. Third, we have the free e-learning platform Armacell Academy, designed to enhance product knowledge, safety, and technical understanding for customers. It's mobile-friendly and can be accessed when it's convenient for you. Interested? Contact the sales representative. Finally, we have an assortment of online materials available at www.armacell.com. Simply click Resources to be taken to our hub where you can learn about our Armacell Qualified Installer Program and access installation videos. You can utilize our ArmorWin Insulation Thickness Calculator, access downloads of technical bulletins, installation instructions, case studies, white papers, certificates, and more. Link to our online courses at Armacell Academy. Find additional videos similar to this one. Explore Armacell Solutions portfolios. Additionally, our Insights area offers an array of industry knowledge, trends, and tips. Armacell is here to support you through the entirety of the project. Whether designing a system, maintaining a new installation, have questions, or trying to source foam material, we're here to support you with our knowledge and best practices. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe to our channel. When you have questions, Armacell answers.